Hey guys, it's me Tristan. I just wanted to tell you I'm a big fan of the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series, and I have like 3 under my belt right now. And I just wanted to show you my aunt was in Barnes and Nobles, and she happened to find this version of the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series. So I'd like to thank her. Yeah, this one is Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the fourth in the series, Diary of a Wimpy Kid Dog Days, the hardcover. This is a really good book. I've read like 5 pages, but it's kind of funny. Um, my it's not my favorite. My favorite is indeed The Last Straw. But yeah, so let me read the back, and then I'll end this video. Maybe I'll talk about few things. Okay, it's summer vacation. The weather's great, and all the kids are having fun outside. So where's Greg Heffley? Inside his house, playing video games with the shades drawn. Okay. Greg, a self-confessed indoor person, is living out his ultimate summer fantasy, no responsibilities and no rules. But Greg's mom has a different vision for an ideal summer, one packed with outdoor activities and family togetherness. Whose vision will win out? Or will a new addition to the Heffley family change everything? Hint, dog days. Okay, and another hint, I don't want to spoil it for you, but I might see that dog right there. Right there in the picture. Okay, yeah, if my right eye looks a little red, yeah, I have pink eye. I just went to the doctor. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be reading this tomorrow when I get Time Warner Cable, because we're switching from DirecTV. So I'll see you guys later. I'm out.